In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Lyft app as a passenger. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, make sure you have the latest version of the Lyft app. You can find it on the Play Store or the App Store under Lyft Inc. And you need to make sure that you don't have any pending updates. This is to ensure that you won't run into any issues when trying to use the app. After you update the Lyft app, you can open it up, and this is the first thing you should see if you've never opened up the app before. When you select Get Started, you are going to get a prompt telling you to verify your phone number. You need to have a valid and legitimate phone number to use Lyft as a passenger. After you go through the process and you verify your phone number, which I'm not going to be showing in this video because it's sensitive information, you will be able to access the home screen where you can see a photo of your city as long as you have location feature enabled on your phone, and ask for a ride. You also have other information like public transit and also scooters if any are available in your area. As long as you can select where you want to go, a ride should pop up for a Lyft rider, and if they accept it, you will be able to ride it as a passenger. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Lyft app as a passenger. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.